There is a quiet revolution happening in the southeast of Nigeria. One not led by politicians or traditional rulers, but by a new generation of bold, visionary entrepreneurs rewriting the story of success. They are tech founders, real estate developers, media innovators, logistic kings, and hospitality giants, ambitious, unapologetic, and deeply proud of their Igbo identity. They are the Billionaire Boys of the East, a movement of wealth, vision, and cultural pride, reshaping not just the Southeast, but Nigeria's entire business landscape. For decades, Lagos was the dream, the city of hustle, the only place that seemed to define Nigerian success. But today, something incredible is happening. Enugu, Aba, Oka, Nnewi, and Owerri, once considered quiet hometowns, are now echoing with the sounds of construction, innovation, and economic revival. Young billionaires who made their fortunes in Lagos and Abuja are now bringing their investments home. They are buying land, building estates, hotels, and tech hubs. They are creating jobs and redefining what prosperity looks like right from the southeast. And leading this new economic awakening are names we all know. Young people, many of whom built their initial capital in Lagos and abroad, are now returning to the east.
Hey guys, so this is Bill Lord, and this is my third voiceover. So it's high time we teach these old people how to do real estate. Real estate is not about being greedy. When you collect money from people, you start spending the money, not even on the estate. You start looking for land to buy. You are just greedy. That's why it's good to enter any business when you are rich. Look at how City Odo is now open. That's the express you are seeing, and that's my filling station you are seeing there. So we are trying to open the second street. Like I told you, there are two streets. This is the second street. We are now putting names on each wall. So if you buy, your name will be crested on the wall. Let's go. On my left is somebody that bought 5 plots, and the 5 plots is almost completed. One customer bought 5 plots. So let's go down. Let's walk down. So this is plot 42, owned by 2 feet. I think it's owned by a couple. On my left hand side is owned by one person. The person I didn't get all of them. 5 plots. So plot 44 and 46 is owned by Mr. Thank God, as you can see. Mr. Thank God, congratulations. In the next 3 months, if you come here, you no go know him again, and land no go be 12 million again. You go reach like 20 meters. Let's keep going. Plot 48. Plot 48. This is owned by Nwale. Congratulations, Nwale. You guys don't know how important Billionaire is in this world. Plot 50 is owned by Mr. Idem. Congratulations, Mr. Idem. You look at this name and tell me this name look like an Igbo name. So it's not even only Igbo people that patronizes City of David. A lot of other tribes. It's a word something. It's a word class something. This is plot 52. Udo Joy is owned by a couple too. Couples are doing love now in my estate. Mr. Manley, congratulations, my brother. Mr. Manley, well done. Mr. Manley, I think you bought another plot in City of David, Lagos. You can imagine people are buying already in Lagos. What you never launch, people don't make deposits.
They are building malls, factories, lounges, digital hubs, and estates, transforming previously quiet cities into vibrant centers of opportunity. For instance, in Enugu, young tech enthusiasts are transforming the city into what some call the Silicon Valley of the Southeast.
I think Mr. Bear, do you want to add to that? And then, yeah. Okay.
So I love your confidence. Let me tell you why what she said is very important. In the whole of Africa, and I'm not like making noise. I'm the only person that has been selected to go for Zara Accelerator in Barcelona or Expense Page. Girl, I did not spend my ₦1. They paid me to come. I'm the only person, two of us in Nigeria, that was selected by Institut Français to go to France and study the creative ecosystem. From the airport, Nanimozi carry me. So let me tell you, and how did I do that? I did not do that by sitting down and whining. My father does not have money. But you know what? On LinkedIn, I did post. The people that need to know about me are hearing about me. No, you need to make noise in selected sector. It's not so everybody does not need to know.
Hubs like Raw Nigeria Hub, Genesis Tech Hub, and Digital Creators Hub, based in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, are training hundreds of youth in digital skills, content creation, and coding. In Aba, innovators are combining traditional craftsmanship with digital platforms, turning shoemaking and fashion production into export-worthy brands. In Oka and even Owerri, real estate-driven tech startups are helping young people buy, rent, and manage properties seamlessly, cutting out middlemen. The future is clearly digital, and the youths of the Southeast are not waiting for anyone to hand it to them. If you visited Oka, Enugu, or Owerri recently, you'll notice one thing: construction everywhere, from smart estates and modern duplexes to hotels and lounges. The Southeast is witnessing a property boom unlike anything seen before. A large part of this movement is led by young investors in their 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s who are channeling their Lagos or diaspora earnings into homegrown development.
All right, so we are in Ekweme Square, the center of Oka. We are going to City of David. City of David is actually 15 minutes from this point, Ekweme Square. This is the center of Oka. This is the government house down. So the government house is behind me, down. From here to City of David is 15 minutes. Let's go. Dangote cement within 24 hours. Contact Rob 2, he will give you factory price. Rob 2, thank you. The cement is arrived. One truck. So remember one truck. You are only for one truck. So one truck has arrived. So start fencing now. We start from here down. So as we are buying, we are fencing. So it's better you buy now so that your fence go there for front. So we are fencing like this down. If we fence here, we fence here, we fence here, we fence here. But all these places, they don't buy them. So, but we are going to tie all this place down to the express. Oh, this is the engineer. Now they delay me. I paid him about 200 million. And I'm going to tie here because see, they've given me breakdown of to tie. It's going to be just 2 roads. One here, one there. I'm going to tie all of them A to Z.
Names like Obi Cubana, Cubana Chief Priest, B Lord, Ituma Chukwuemeka, Emeka Oguchi, A Big Nwankwo, Ike Oduma, and so many others. East are collaborating with state government and private financiers to create mini cities with modern road layouts, solar grids, and smart designs. Let's start with Obi Cubana, the man who turned Anambra State into a tourism sensation and luxury spot. From his hospitality empire that began with Cubana nightlife to his expansion into Cubana real estate, which is now in Asaba, Delta State, Obi Cubana has become the face of modern Igbo success. Recently, he made headlines after announcing a partnership with a group of young Southeast billionaires to develop what he calls the Banana Island of the Southeast and South-South. He partnered with the likes of Emeka Oguchi, Chairman CEO Pointech Online Limited, A Big Nwankwo, the chairman of Big League Group of Companies, who is in his 40s, Ike Oduma, the CEO of Pillars Oil. This here is a city within a city, a real estate masterpiece that could easily become one of the largest privately owned developments in Nigeria. Could this be true? Is the South about to get its own version of Banana Island? And then there is the ever-vibrant Cubana chief priest, known not just for nightlife and showbiz, but for his growing influence in real estate and hospitality investment. Chief Priest has been quietly developing premium lounges and commercial spaces across Owerri. His message is clear: if we can spend billions in Lagos, we can invest billions in the East. But what many don't know is that this visionary, one of the new generation of Eastern billionaires, B-Lord, is reportedly expanding his investment footprint back home too, with plans to establish a chain of world-class hotels and resorts across Anambra State through real estate. It's a quiet shift, but a very powerful one, a return to the roots and a statement of self-reliance.
I'm on my way to City of David 2.0, all right? I'm going with Elliot. 12 million gives you one plot of land plus a fenced plot, free fencing. We're going to fence it for you, free of charge, instantly. So let's go and see how many plots have been fenced, okay? The last time I was there, it was about 40 plots fenced. But now I think we have fenced extra 40. So let's go and see it. We're about entering the estate, City of David 2.0. These bushes are still going to go down. I'm going to take them down, and I'll make sure they don't grow again. Look at how strong the ground is already. This Chukuma. Mr. Emmanuel. That is Mr. Emmanuel. Mr. Mechi, this is your property. Mr. Ifan, you have 2 plots. This Wakbala, this is long, bro. Look at the blocks. They are bringing more blocks. Mr. Friday, you're not going to pay for fencing and it comes with a name. But let me show you the name. City of David. This land is directly on the express. You are seeing 7 cleaners. Stop panels too much. You don't put street lights. Well, let me show you. Come outside. Look at street lights. Look at the police station. They have mini mart already. Look at the express. See, I don't try. Big woman.
Another name rising fast among the billionaire boys of the southeast of Nigeria is Ituma Enviable, the CEO of Enviable Transport and Logistics, one of the fastest growing logistics brands in Nigeria. From fleet management to interstate travel and supply chain innovation, Ituma is proving that transport can be both tech-driven and profitable. His story reflects the New Eastern dream: young, educated, fearless entrepreneurs investing strategically to build industries that serve both local and global markets. He often says in interviews, "We are not just moving people or goods, we are moving economies." That statement alone captures the essence of this generation: visionary builders who understand scale, systems, and sustainability. But here's the question everyone is asking: why are these young billionaires suddenly investing so heavily in the southeast of Nigeria? Could it be patriotism, or maybe something deeper? Perhaps a response to the growing tension and property controversy in Lagos, where demolitions, political differences, and regional sentiments have made investors rethink their long-term security. Whatever the reason, one thing is clear: the Igbo business elite are no longer waiting for validation or political permission. They are building their own ecosystem right where their roots lie. Many of these men, Cubana, Cubana Chief Priest, Ituma Enviable, and others, are all under 50 years old, yet they've built empires that cut across real estate, logistics, media, manufacturing, and tech. This is not just a return home, it's a strategic economic renaissance. Drive through Oka or Enugu today and you'll notice something breathtaking: estates that look like mini cities, massive gated communities, smart duplexes, golf course views, and solar-powered villas rising from once quiet lands. Insiders say Obi Cubana's new real estate project is not just another housing estate, it's a full-blown economic city, complete with business districts and entertainment hubs and waterfront properties. It's already been described online as the Banana Island of the East and South, a symbol of what happens when wealth meets purpose, when the children of traders and apprentices build monuments for their ancestors. And guess what? It's not just billionaires joining in. Middle-class professionals, diaspora returnees, and digital entrepreneurs are also buying into this project, making investing in the southeast of Nigeria both a business and emotional statement. If this momentum continues, the southeast could soon rival Lagos and Abuja in investment attraction and infrastructural growth. We are talking about industrial clusters in Aba and Nnewi, luxury smart estates across Enugu and Oka, digital hubs training tens of thousands of content creators and coders in Abakaliki, cultural tourism driving global attention. It's already happening quietly, powerfully, and authentically, because at the heart of it all are the billionaire boys of the East, a new generation proving that you can be modern, wealthy, and proudly Igbo all at once. So when next you hear someone say there's nothing happening in the southeast of Nigeria, tell them to look again, because in Enugu, Owerri, Aba, Nnewi, Ebonyi State, a generation of dreamers is rewriting destiny. One brick, one app, one business, and one estate at a time. This is more than a trend, it's a movement, it's about legacy, it's about home, it's about pride. These are the billionaire boys of the southeast of Nigeria, and they're just getting started.
This area is where the governor proposed for Oka 2.0. He said this is the new city of Oka 2.0, 230 plots. After our previous sales of City of David 1.0 in Benin, a lot of people were saying, oh, Billionaire, I want to buy. Then it was sold out. Today we launched City of David 2.0. It's actually 15 minutes from Ngozeka Estate to City of David. The governor proposed that place as Oka New City, Oka 2.0. So join us as we go there to inspect the site. What's the time? 10:41. So before we leave, we say 10:45. Then let's see what the time will be there. Okay? So join us. Big love.
City of David 2.0. Oka future Naija, they grow. Cubana don't turn development, go flow. Buy your blood before you blow.
We got to 11:03, so it's about 18 minutes because there was army checkpoint and traffic. So let's go. So I've started, this is a transformer, these are the poles. I've installed poles directly down to the last plot. The tractor is working currently because I want to tar this road straight because they gave me a bill. The moment I put about 800 million to tar this road, you will never see this land for 12 million, impossible. So now that the road is untarred, because I'm looking for money to tar the road now, buy for 12 million. The 12 million fencing is inclusive. 12 million, we are going to start fencing immediately and you are going to see your portion. There's a filling station down there we are building in the front of the estate, so let's go. If I gather money, can't go do the road. It is I go sell and give you 12 million, when I decrease. 24 hours to start fencing, City of David 2.0. This is Oka proposed new city. 15 minutes to Oka, 30 minutes to Nnewi.
City of David 2.0. Oka future Naija.